Dear friends, we are glad to demonstrate Libreus, the service for automatic layout of print and ebooks, to you. The service allows you to set up all the components of your draft, margins, headers, text styles, and which is the most significant, to save up to 90% of your time and 80% of finances on preparation of your book for printing. Let's make a quick look at the options. After the registration, you will be offered to create a new project, download your text draft, take a text trial, or create a new document. With the new document file, you will see a blank text editor, in which you may start creating your own masterpiece. After the book download, you will need to type the book title and author's name. On the next step, the service will offer you to choose a sample of the future book and start the process from scratch. There are no limitations on the book format. For example, let's choose the size 227 to 180 millimeters. After pointing out the size, the service will let you choose the most suitable draft. We can choose the draft with wide margins for demonstration. Then, after the draft choice, the text editor will appear. I would like to pay your attention to the fact that the service has already done a part of your work by making the layout of the book content, the headers of different levels, captions to pictures, quotations. You have an opportunity to add, delete, and change text blocks, image blocks, and tables. This component will give you a chance to quickly alter the size range of all headers of your book, so the size of the main text remains unchanged. To change the text style, please click on the gear sign to the right from the needed style. The display with additional settings, where you may manage the font size, typeface, alignment, intervals, and the page breaks for headers, will appear. On the design inset, you can change colors and image arrangement. Flex position will arrange the images intellectually, more diverse, creative, with a text wrap. At the same time, the images may be inserted before or after the original positioning. Fixed position will leave images exactly on the initial place, but their arrangement will become simpler, without any text wrap. During the layout, your images may have different sizes: small, middle, large, and full page. The function of positioning to the full page will expand your image into the full book format and set the necessary technological bleeds for high-quality printing. After editing the draft, please click on the Next button. The next screen is the margin settings. We are able to manage all the book margins, add wide margins, take up the multi-column mode of layout. The current settings of the draft are good enough, so we pass on to the next step. Now, the settings of the headers. Here you may change the content of the headers, which originally consists of the book title and author's name. We change the position of the headers on the top, bottom, and external margins and choose the style. Go on with that. After all the made settings, the service will start generating the first spreads of your book. This process takes from 1 to 2 minutes. By getting the result, you may look at the final layout, bring changes on the previous steps, or, if everything is all right, make the whole book layout. After completing the layout of the whole book, an option to download a book will appear on the project card on your personal account page, a preview file in PDF. Format: the file prepared for printing in PDF and layout sources, package in Adobe inDesign format. Thank you for your attention. Hope that Libreus will become your perfect assistant in the process of layout creation and publishing preparations. See you soon.